Hey, today we're going to go over workflow automations with AI agents, and they can respond now automatically to your Facebook and Instagram comments as they come in. So this is great for busy business owners that don't want to have to do all that stuff with their social media. We're testing it out today to see how it works. It's fairly new with GoHighLevel. So first thing you want to do is you come into GoHighLevel, go to automations, create a workflow from scratch. We're going to call this AI agent, and we'll say Instagram DM. And then the first thing you want to do is create a trigger. We're going to go Facebook, create your page, or select your page for your business, delete that. So it'll be any type of post or comment that comes in, it'll automatically trigger this. Save that trigger. We're going to do the same thing for Instagram. Select your business page. And now this is where we set up the AI agent. So you come in here, click on AI agents. Instead of building your own, you can create one they already made for you for Instagram. So any comment that comes in to your Instagram feed on your business post, you will be able to have AI agent respond automatically for you. So this is great if you're a business owner and you're very busy and you have a lead that comes through. This will handle it right away. If it's somebody asking about your product, your service, wants to schedule an appointment or a phone call, they can reach out directly to you now, and you don't lose that through the cracks on an Instagram post comment or Facebook. So this just tells you what it's going to do. The prompt here, it's going to read and trigger the information. It'll have a response back to them, the comment, and then it'll say that they'll DM them directly. So this is nice that people that are on your posts in your Instagram feed, they'll see that you're commenting back to the person, and then they know that you're active on your social profile. It also creates a tag so you can track that contact and GoHighLevel. A couple other important rules it's got here. I'm not going to read through all that. You can look at it later. This is the model we're going to do for low thinking, and then tools that does replies to comments, interactive Instagram Messenger, add contact, and add to notes. And then in advanced, you want to click on conversation memory so it remembers if it's talked to that person already. It doesn't say the same thing back to them. We're going to save that action. Then we're going to publish that, save it, and then we're going to go to our Instagram feed or our Instagram post here. So we turn that on and GoHighLevel. We have a workflow automation. Now we're going to see if it actually responds back to us. So I'll come in here and I will just post a comment on here. How do I get a website estimate? Post that. You're going to see a comment as myself. It goes on here, and now we're going to see if that actually triggered and commented back as an AI agent. So AI agents are basically just like a virtual assistant that's working for you 24/7 and responds on your behalf and does things in GoHighLevel and through the automations and workflows. So we'll go into enrollment history. We can see that it triggered here. It's in the processing step right now. We can view the execution, see what it's doing so far. So right now it added to the workflow. It's waiting. I'll refresh it here. We'll see what happens next, but it should be writing a comment back to us. So nothing yet. Come out, we'll refresh this page. Oh, we can see 2 comments, so that means that the AI agent has responded. So let's see what it said back. It says, thanks, Marks. I'll shoot you in a quick DM with the fast way to get an estimate of what you need. So it commented back right away. Now if we refresh this page, it should show what it did. So you can see that it removed it from workflow, it executed the information there. So let's go back to enrollment history. We'll click on myself here. And we can see the DM that it actually sent also. So these are tests earlier. So here's the message that came in, and then it tried to DM. Thanks for comment. Fast way to reach out is sent the website. Just reply what you need and we're looking for, and also any example sites you like. So this is pretty close to working. It looks like it didn't actually send a direct message because it says integrated Facebook user does not have sufficient administrative permissions to send messages. So I'll have to go see if that's something we can turn on. But it's pretty crazy what you can do in AI agents to respond on your behalf. So if you like this type of comment below AI agent, we'll create more AI agent videos like this for you. Also, if you don't have GoHighLevel, we have a link below for a 30-day free trial. Click that below and you get signed up. You can start using GoHighLevel and we can help you get going on some of these workflow automations and automate your business a little better. Yeah, appreciate your time.